Hello everyone, welcome back to Small Talk to ESL YouTube channel. American English for Indonesian ESL. And our topic today about English verb tenses. Past perfect and past perfect continuous tense. It's according to the signal words, usage, and timeline. Oke, selamat datang di YouTube channel Small Talk to ESL bersama saya Saud Ishak Simanjuntak. Topik kita hari ini adalah English verb tense, kata kerja tenses bahasa Inggris, past perfect dan past perfect continuous tense. Ya, membicarakan tentang kata-kata tanda, signal words, usage, penggunaan, dan timeline, garis waktu. Okay, verb tenses. The meaning of verb tenses expresses the time of an event or action. Time and how it is expressed in writing are very important to English readers. Jadi kata kerja tenses mengekspresikan waktu suatu peristiwa atau tindakan. Waktu dan bagaimana hal itu diekspresikan secara tertulis sangat penting bagi pembaca bahasa Inggris. A. Past perfect tense. Structure. Okay, I change it first to lesser point. Structure. Subject plus had plus verb 3 plus object or complement. Definition atau pengertian. The form of a verb used to describe an action that happened before the present time and it's no longer happening. It is usually made by adding ed, regular verb. Bentuk kata kerja yang digunakan untuk menggambarkan suatu tindakan yang terjadi sebelum waktu sekarang dan tidak lagi terjadi. Biasanya dibentuk dengan menambahkan ed di akhiran kata kerja untuk kata kerja yang beraturan. Past perfect tense. Structure in positive, subject plus had plus verb 3 plus object or complement. In negative, subject plus had plus not plus verb 3 plus object or complement. In interrogative, had plus subject plus verb 3 plus object or complement. Okay, using subject plus auxiliary, she, he, it. Use subject plus had. They, we, I, you. Use subject plus had to. Usage atau penggunaan. 1. This tense can be used to express an action in the past that was completed before another past moment occurred. It is used together with the simple past. Tenses ini biasanya berfungsi untuk mengekspresikan aksi di masa lampau yang telah selesai, terjadi sebelum momen lampau lainnya terjadi, digunakan bersama dengan simple past. Okay, let's take a look at the example. Mary had read the book before she watched a film. Mary telah membaca buku itu sebelum dia menonton filmnya. Mary had not read the book before she watched a film. Maris belum mencoba buku itu sebelum dia Mary belum membaca buku itu sebelum dia menonton filmnya. Had Mary read the book before she watched a film? Apakah Mary membaca buku itu sebelum dia menonton filmnya? Okay. And the auxiliary plus subject. This one Mary had. Mary had read. Okay, the past perfect tense. Okay, past perfect tense usage atau penggunaan. It's used together with the simple past and also insert subordinate conjunction. This tense can be used to express an action in the past that was completed before another past moment occur. After simple past tense plus after plus past perfect tense. Before by the time, when past perfect tense plus before, or by the time or when plus simple past tense. Jadi digunakan bersama simple past tense dan juga menyisipkan subordinate conjunction, kata sambung subordinate. Tenses ini dapat digunakan untuk mengekspresikan suatu tindakan di masa lalu yang diselesaikan sebelum kejadian lampau yang lain terjadi. After simple past tense plus after plus perfect tense. Before by the time, when past perfect tense plus before by the time, when plus simple past tense. Jadi penggunaan seperti itu untuk yang after berarti harus simple past tense, baru after, baru past perfect tense. Untuk yang before by the time atau when, past perfect tense dulu, baru tambah kata before atau by the time atau when, baru baru ditambahkan dengan simple past tense. Okay, let's take a look to make us clear about these tenses, past perfect tense. Mary had read the book before she watched a film. That is for positive. Mary telah membaca buku itu sebelum dia menonton filmnya. Okay. Mary had not read the book before she watched a film. Mary belum membaca buku itu sebelum dia menonton filmnya. Had Mary read the book before she watched a film? Apakah Mary membaca buku itu sebelum dia menonton filmnya? The past perfect usage. 2. Shows the intensity of an event. Menunjukkan intensitas sebelum kejadian. Okay, twice, 2 times, 3 times, before, plus simple past tense, or participle phrase. Every day, every 2 days, or every day until 2012. Setiap hari, setiap 2 hari sampai tahun 2012. Every summer until 2000. Setiap musim panas hingga tahun 2000. Okay, let's take a look at the example. I had read the book 3 times before I read his review. Saya telah membaca buku itu 3 kali sebelum saya membaca ulasannya. They had met twice before married. Mereka bertemu 2 kali sebelum menikah. Yulia had been to the gym every 2 days until 2012. Yulia telah pergi ke gym setiap 2 hari sampai tahun 2012. The past perfect tense usage. 3. Use for reported speech. Restate. Restate what the other person has said. Verbs that can be used are said, told, asked, thought, wonder. Digunakan untuk reported speech. Menyatakan ulang apa yang dikatakan orang lain. Kata kerja yang dapat digunakan adalah said, dikatakan told, diceritakan asked, bertanya, thought, berpikir, wondered, bertanya-tanya atau ingin tahu. He said that he had listened carefully the instructions. Dia mengatakan bahwa dia telah mendengarkan instruksi itu dengan penuh perhatian. I thought he had changed to better man. I thought he had changed to be better man. Saya pikir dia telah berubah menjadi pria yang lebih baik. The past perfect tense usage. For making hope, membuat harapan. The formula is if plus past perfect tense plus would, should, could, might plus have plus past participle. Membuat harapan, mengharapkan rumusnya adalah if tambah past perfect tense, tambah would, should, could, might, tambah have, tambah past participle. If you had remember to invite me, I would have attended your party. Jika kamu ingat mengundang saya akan hadir di pestamu. Rina would have been the same level with me if she had studied harder. Rina akan berada pada level yang sama dengan saya jika dia belajar lebih keras. Okay, this is a timeline. The past perfect. Structure, subject plus had, plus verb 3 plus object or complement. Signal words, kata-kata tanda, already, until that day, never, just, after, before, when. Okay, this is the image, timelines atau garis waktu. This is the image or the picture of timelines, past perfect. Use the past perfect for an action which was completed before a special point of time in the past. Jadi, gunakan past perfect untuk tindakan yang diselesaikan sebelum waktu, sebelum titik waktu khusus di masa lalu. Okay? The past perfect timeline atau garis waktu. We often use the past perfect together with the simple past. Okay, the red line, this one the red. The action which was completed before the other action began is put into the past perfect. Kita sering menggunakan past perfect bersama-sama dengan simple past yang berwarna merah. Tindakan yang diselesaikan sebelum tindakan lainnya dimulai dimasukkan ke dalam past perfect. B. Past perfect continuous tense. Structure, subject plus had plus been plus verb ing plus object or complement. Definitions atau pengertian. Show that an action that started in the past continued up until another time in the past. The past perfect continuous tense is constructed using had been, present participle, verb plus ing. Menunjukkan bahwa satu tindakan yang dimulai di masa lalu berlanjut hingga waktu lain di masa lalu. Past perfect continuous tense yang dibangun menggunakan had been tambah present participle atau kata kerja yang berakhiran ing. Past perfect continuous or progressive. Structure in positive, subject plus had plus been plus verbing plus object or complement. In negative, subject plus had plus been plus not plus verbing plus object or complement. Interrogative, had plus subject plus been plus verbing plus object complement. Okay. Using subject plus auxiliary. She, he, it, singular. Use subject plus had been. They, we, you, I. Use subject plus had been. Okay. Had been plus, okay, present participle or verb plus ing. When, for, since, and before are words you may see used alongside the past perfect continuous tense. Okay. Jadi kata signal, kata tandanya, signal wordnya seperti when, for, since, and before adalah kata-kata dapat Anda lihat digunakan di sepanjang bentuk past perfect continuous tense. Past perfect continuous. Usage atau penggunaan how long something had been happening before something else happened refers to a long action. Berapa lama sesuatu telah terjadi sebelum sesuatu yang lain terjadi, merujuk aksi yang panjang. Okay, let's take a look. For example, they had been talking for over an hour before Tony arrived. Mereka telah berbicara selama lebih dari 1 jam sebelum Tony tiba. They had not been talking for over an hour before Tony arrived. Mereka belum berbicara selama lebih dari 1 jam sebelum Tony tiba. Had they been talking for over an hour before Tony arrived? Apakah mereka berbicara selama lebih dari 1 jam sebelum Tony tiba? Okay, next, past perfect continuous usage notifies the period of action, memberitahukan periode aksi. Okay, let's take a look. She was annoyed since she had been waiting for 2 hours at the bus station. Dia kesal karena telah menunggu selama 2 jam di halte bus. By the time the teacher came, the students had been reading half part of the text. Oke, pada waktu guru datang, para siswa telah membaca separuh bagian dari teks. I had been working with my computer all day and all I wanted to do was eat some chocolate. Saya telah bekerja dengan komputer sepanjang hari dan yang ingin saya lakukan adalah makan coklat. The perfect continuous usage. Conditional sentence, kalimat pengandaian. If it had been raining, I would have stayed in the office until midnight. Jika hari hujan, saya akan tinggal di kantor sampai tengah malam. Indirect speech, kalimat tidak langsung. Direct speech, he was playing piano. Indirect speech, he said that he had been playing piano. Past perfect continuous. Structure, subject plus had plus been plus verb ing plus object or complement. Signal words, kata-kata tanda when, for, just, since, after, before, already, they, never, not yet, how long, the whole day, the whole week, the whole month, the whole year. Using subject plus auxiliary. She, he, it. Use subject plus had been. They, we, I, you. Use subject plus had been. Okay. This is the timeline, the past perfect continuous. Timeline atau garis waktu. So that something started in the past and continued up until another time in the past. Menunjukkan bahwa sesuatu dimulai di masa lalu dan terus sampai waktu lain di masa lalu. Past perfect and past perfect continuous. Yeah, this all for today about past perfect and past perfect continuous. If you like or enjoy this video, please support this channel with subscribe and click notification bell, and also click like, share, and comment if you want make put the comment on the descriptions box below of the video. Jadi Anda dapat memberikan komentar Anda di kotak deskripsi di bawah video ini. Okay, thanks for watching. Stay blessed and Bye bye. See you.